So this is my garter stitch swatch, which I have gently blocked with steam. I'm going to take my ruler, and I don't want to be going right to the edge. You want to take a central section so you get a more accurate representation of the gauge that will be in your finished piece. So we're looking at the little bumps, and I'm going to look at the bumps that are on the bottom of this row here. So they look like little U's, and I'm going to pop a stitch marker next to this one here, just to mark it there. Then I'm going to measure across 10 centimeters along the same line of bumps, and I'm going to this point here, and I'm going to pop a stitch marker in there. Okay, so in garter stitch, each one of these little U's on this row, or if you're counting the little sort of rainbows at the top there, then each one of those is a stitch. So you need to stick to either the bottom row or the upper row when you're counting. So I'm going to do the bottom row here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so there's 20 stitches across my 10 centimeters. So now we just need to measure the rows. So now we just need to measure the rows. Now in garter stitch, each one of these little bumps is a row, so that is another row. So when you've got these two together, so they kind of look like the double ridges, that's 2 rows. So what we need to do is pick a point, again not too near the edge, and we pop 1 stitch marker in there. Okay, and then we're going to use our ruler and just straighten that out and measure 10 centimeters down, so our second stitch marker goes in there. So the ridges here, as I've said, this is 2 rows. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38 and 40. So that's a gauge of 20 stitches and 40 rows to 10 centimeters in garter stitch.